Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you and show you how to use People. So this app here, as you can see, it's a payment provider for everyone. So it's a free app that you can install on your phone. You can find it on Google Play Store and the App Store. So you'll have to simply search for People and install this app here. And as you can see, this one app for all your money needs. So basically you can receive, you can send money, you can buy stuff with this app. And the great thing about this is that when you open an account and you verify your account, you can get a card instantly. So you can use right away your card, because this is a virtual card. So it's not a physical card, it's a virtual card that you can use it right away. So as you can see, you can request a physical card delivered to your home. So if you want, you can still get the card if you want, but you can use the virtual card, which is faster. So this if you want the physical card, it will take like 1 week to arrive at your home, but with the virtual card it's basically instantly. So as you can see, you can spend and track across over 50 million stores worldwide, and you can easily top up with a bank, a debit card, or mobile money, as you can see. So if you want to add money to your People account, and you can send money to over 60 countries with a single tap. So as you can see, you can send money to your friends. So this is the all-in-one banking app basically. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.